Welcome back. Let's do question 1.2. Simplify without using a calculator. Sine 120 degrees times cos 210, tan 315 degrees and cos 27, and then sine 63, then cos 540. So now we need to simplify this. So we have to discuss each and every component of this expression. So sine 120. This is the reduction formula. Where do we find in the angle 120 degrees? It is in the second quadrant. Remember the cast diagram. It is in the second quadrant. Remember here is theta, 180 degrees minus theta, 180 degrees plus theta. So it means it should be in this form. 120 degrees is 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. So that is sine 120 sine 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. This is 120 degrees. Then times cos 210. 210, remember this is 0, 90, 180, 270, 360 degrees. So 210 degrees is in the third quadrant. So it's 180 plus what? So this is cos 180 degrees plus 30 degrees. This is cos 210, done with that part. Then tan 315 degrees. Where is 315 degrees? It is in the fourth quadrant. It is 360 minus 45. So it's going to be tan 360 degrees minus 45 degrees. This is in the fourth quadrant. And then I want you to recognize something. So 27 degrees and 63 degrees, they add up to 90. So these are complementary angles. 27 degrees and 63 degrees, they are complementary angles. So it means this is equivalent to sine 63 degrees. Or you can say this is equivalent to cos 27 degrees. So let's change this one. So it's sine 63 degrees. Sine 63 degrees, and then over sine 63 degrees, and then cos 540. Remember, when you talk about angles above 360 degrees, we say cos 360 degrees plus theta is equal to cos theta. Tan 360 degrees plus theta is equal to tan theta. Then sine 360 degrees plus theta is equal to sine theta. See that? So we're saying this is cos 360 degrees plus theta. It's just the same as cos theta. So cos 540 degrees is just the same as cos 360 degrees plus 180 degrees. So meaning that this is cos 180 degrees. Okay, cos 180 degrees, cos 180 degrees. Now let's reduce our angles. So in the second quadrant, sine is positive, so this is sine 60 degrees. And then in the third quadrant, it's going to be, let's just put brackets, negative cos 30, right? Okay, in the third quadrant, cos is negative. And then this is in the fourth quadrant, right? And then it's going to be negative tan 45. And then sine 63 divided by sine 63 is equal to 1. So we remain with that. And then cos 180 degrees. Let's say cos 180 degrees. Right. And then if you check here, we're left with what? we're left with special angles. Sine 60 degrees, that is root 3 over 2. Then negative cos 30, that is root 3 over 2, negative root 3 over 2. And then negative tan 45, that is negative 1. Over cos 180, which is also negative 1. Then negative 1 divided by negative 1 is 1. We remain with root 3 times negative root 3, that is negative 3. Then 2 times 2, we get 4. See that? That is our answer. Remember, when I'm multiplying fractions, just say numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator.